everyone, welcome back to the channel Your Tech Doc. One of the most useful laptop accessories that we have reviewed in the past was the Moft Invisible Laptop Stand, which you need to attach at the back of your laptop using the reusable 3M tapes, and you were able to elevate your laptop into two different angles based on your convenience. This design improves airflow and prevents overheating when you are working on any flat surface or desk. It also prevents any sorts of neck strain. Today we are going to review an alternate that's within the same category and is called the Puncube Minimal 3-in-1 Laptop Desk. Puncube has sent me this unit for review, however rest assured I'll be giving my honest opinion on this accessory. So without further ado, let's get started. Puncube sells this stand in 4 color options including midnight blue, graphite black, cool grey and blonder brown, and is currently priced at 59.9 US dollar. The company also offers a fast free international shipping worldwide with a hassle free 30-day return policy, and the product also carries a 1-year standard warranty. As a special offer, Puncube is offering an $8 worth of pen clip as a free gift till 31st of March. And you can get an additional 15% discount if you follow the link in the description below and use my influencer code, which is INFLU15. So guys, this is the Puncube Minimal 3-in-1 portable laptop desk retail packaging that I have received for review. It is the cool gray shade that they have sent. And at the back, if you see, they have mentioned all the major features that were highlighted on the website as well, which includes that it has two adjustable gear or angles. It also can be used as a clipboard. It can accommodate up to 16 inches of any laptop. It's slim and portable and obviously is waterproof. We'll talk about the basic highlights of this particular device in the later part of the video. But before that, let's do a quick unboxing. So the unboxing is very simple. All I need to do is just a small envelope which I just need to remove it, and I have the packaging inside which I can see. So this is a small lamination that it has come up with, and if I see there is anything else also, yes, I've got these stick-ons also which are available, and that's it. And let me just put aside, and this one here, I'll tell you what is the user thing. So I'll just have to move this poly, and the first thing that I see here is the Puncube branding, and this is the cool gray shade. And when I'm holding it in my hand, the very first thing that I can tell you is that it is a very premium quality laptop stand. The branding is very much visible, and this is, I guess, some sort of vegan leather which is also mentioned on the website. And I am feeling that it is sturdy as well. It has got some highlights of these steel, I would say some kinds of screws which are embedded, and it's obviously magnetic as well. So I'll now talk about the basic highlights and the features of this thing. But let me tell you that we have been given these stick-ons as well. Now this is for someone who wanted to use this desk to be permanently fixed on your desk, so you can use that so that this particular stand doesn't move here and there. But I guess this is not for me, so I'll keep it aside. But I'll tell you that this has got magnetic features. If you see, I'll just pulling it up and it goes back immediately back to its position. So these grooves are basically having magnets which is basically there to make sure that it stays in that particular space itself. And then there are two angles which you can see. This is the first angle, and then there is a smaller angle which is basically 15 and 30-degree angle. So Puncube says that you can use it in three different spaces. One, if you wanted to use it as a desktop stand and you don't want any kind of elevation, you can use it as such. So this kind of this latch is basically to make sure when you put it on an angle, so though your laptop doesn't move here and there, so it basically holds your laptop at its place. All right, few features I wish to highlight before we see how this thing work in action. The very first thing I would like to highlight that this complete laptop desk is only 0.6 in thickness and it's 1.3 pounds in weight. Secondly, it is waterproof as well, which will give you an additional safety in case of any kind of water spillage. And if I talk about the features, the major highlights, that is the two angles we talked about, there is a small trick of using it. So I just went into the website. The website says the very first thing you have to do once you receive it, you have to make sure you keep it like this for a few minutes, because it will make sure that the magnets gets active and the fold will start working. Secondly, once this is done, and I have got two angles to use, one is the 15-degree angle and the 30-degree angle. So let's start off with the 30-degree angle. So the first thing I'll do is I'll just clip this here, and then I'll put this at the back. There is a small latch here, as you can see. Now can put additional force over it. Now one more feature to highlight is that this particular stand can take a load up to 40 kgs. That means if I have a very heavy laptop which can weigh as high as 40 kg, though not practically possible, but it can uphold that much weight. So now all I need to do is put my laptop here, and this thing, you see there is a latch. You can always like bring it upside so that it makes sure that this latch doesn't allows your laptop to move here and there. And that's it, guys. This particular setup is ready. Now I can just open my laptop and I can start using it. And this is how this 30-degree angle has been put in use. Additionally, I can also use it at 15 degrees as well. Use this setup for 15 degrees. All you need to do is again bring this back, put the magnet at the first fold. Now you have to use this one angle. So what you'll do is keep this out and fold the other angle and put this on the grooves that are given here, right? You see here, there are certain grooves which are available. All you need to do is make sure that it's stuck there, and there are magnets to hold it, so you don't have to worry about it. Once this is done, you can bring your laptop here, make sure it fixes at the latch which is provided. You can always move up to make sure it goes at the right place, and voila, this is ready. Cool and innovative designs make such a huge difference and actually adds a lot of convenience to your daily usage. This is a really good laptop stand for a laptop, but the coolness just doesn't stop here. What's tucked away to one side is a small pad that slides out, and this is your mouse pad. So you have an inbuilt mouse pad for your mouse and it feels fine. But where it is immensely useful is once you take the stand away from your desk and use it elsewhere. You can also use this to keep your mobile phones, calculators, or any notepad while you're working on this laptop desk. Once you're done, you can easily tuck away and see how easy it is to carry along. But wait, there is more. If you flip it over, you see there is this magnetic clip. And if you have an A4 sheet with you, you can easily clip it inside and you have a clipboard ready for you to use. This is the third usage of this Puncube laptop desk. It's an amazing solution for everyone who wants to take your work away from desk and should be the first choice for those who travel frequently. This Puncube laptop stand is thin, relatively light, and has got the perfect build quality. It is very sturdy, offering two different slant angles for your laptop, and the best part is the slide out mousepad attachment that completes the whole package. This product really needs your attention and support. All the links are in the description below along with a special 15% discount coupon for our viewers. That's all for the video. If you have any queries, please leave that in the comment below. Thank you. See you in the next one.